I've been testing SteamOS for gaming, and here's my honest take after spending time with it. SteamOS is Valve's Linux-based operating system, built with one goal in mind: gaming. And on that front, it actually does a lot right. The interface feels clean, fast, and very controller-friendly, especially if you've used a Steam Deck. Launching games is simple, and thanks to Proton, a huge chunk of Windows games just work without any tweaking. Performance-wise, I noticed some games even run a bit smoother compared to Windows, especially on lower-end hardware. But it's not perfect. Anti-cheat games can still be hit or miss, and not every title is fully compatible. Outside of Steam, things get a bit more complicated. Installing non-Steam apps or using it as a daily desktop OS isn't as straightforward as Windows. You can do it, but it takes extra effort. So is SteamOS worth it? If you're mainly a gamer and your library is Steam-heavy, absolutely. But if you need full software compatibility, Windows is still the safer choice. Overall, I'd say it's improving fast, and definitely worth watching as Linux gaming keeps evolving in the background, especially for handheld gaming devices and budget PCs' overall experience.